Most of what we do on a daily basis is routine, like our morning coffee. You don't even think about it because it just is. This is the same with how you use Google Sheets. But what you don't know is by starting routine and staying with what you know, you're missing out on being more efficient, more productive, and escaping the Google Sheets beginner rut. Here are 6 questions you should be asking to escape your Google Sheets habit and go next level. Let's get started. I see this one all the time with my coworkers. Beginners don't use shortcut keys. So, what are the shortcuts in Google Sheets? Shortcut keys are essential for quick navigation and task execution. Basic editing tasks like copy, cut, paste values, undo, and redo are also much faster with shortcuts. Formatting shortcuts like Ctrl B for bold, Ctrl I for italic, and Ctrl U for underline, and alignment shortcuts Ctrl plus Shift L, E, and R streamline the process of making your data presentable. Let's try some of these right now. If I Ctrl C and Ctrl V, I can copy and paste. If I Ctrl X and Ctrl V, I can cut and paste. Undo, Ctrl Z will remove and return the cut. If I undo again, it will remove the copy of Ctrl C. Ctrl Y will redo and put them back. If I want to bold, I can Ctrl B. If I want to do italics, I can Ctrl I. And if I want to underline, I can Ctrl U. Now, with the left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment, I can do Ctrl Shift E to center, Ctrl Shift R to move to the right, or I could Ctrl Shift L to align to the left. By integrating these shortcuts into your daily use today and regularly practicing them, you can transition from a beginner to a proficient user, significantly improving your efficiency in Google Sheets. So another question you should ask yourself is, how do you create a new sheet in Google Sheets? Not using multiple worksheets in Google Sheets is a habit that can keep you at a beginner level, as this feature is essential for efficient data organization and management. For example, if I made this video with only one sheet, it wouldn't be as clean. Multiple worksheets allow you to compartmentalize different sets of data within a single spreadsheet file, making it easier to organize and navigate complex information. By keeping all data on one sheet, you risk creating a cluttered and confusing environment, which can lead to errors and inefficiencies. So go ahead and click that little plus sign in the lower left corner and start using multiple sheets. Another question you should ask is, what does right-click do in Google Sheets? Avoiding the right-click menu is a habit that can keep you at a beginner level in Google Sheets. The right-click menu provides a quick and efficient way to access many essential functions without navigating through multiple tabs and menus above. Let's create a new sheet and title this right-click. And I'm going to copy and paste some revenue numbers over. And now I've got revenue for January through July for different revenue streams in a YouTube creator business. For example, right-clicking on a cell or a range of cells brings up options for cut, copy, and paste, allowing for fast data manipulation. You can also quickly insert or delete rows and columns, which is much faster than using the top menu. Additionally, the right-click menu allows you to insert comments or notes, enhancing collaboration and making it easier to keep track of changes and discussions within the sheet. By not utilizing the right-click menu, you miss out on a streamlined workflow that can save significant time and effort. Incorporating the use of right-click into your daily routine can help you navigate and perform tasks more efficiently, moving you from a beginner to an intermediate or advanced user in Google Sheets. Let's use some of these now. So say I want to add a row between training and consulting. I can highlight the row here with left click and then right click and insert one row above or one row below. So I'm going to insert one row above and it will put this here. Maybe I'll title this workshops. Let's right click again on the sponsorships and highlight those cells B12 to H12, right click, and I'm going to copy those And I'm going to use the paste special values to just paste those numbers in. The other thing I could do is I could put a note here, or let's put a comment, and let's just say added for new revenue stream. And now I have a note, again, using the right-click menu. We've got 3 more to go, but if you want to advance your Google Sheets to the next level and learn more about each of these next level tools, subscribe today, because our videos will help everyone looking to learn Google Sheets. But our focus is to help small business owners from YouTubers, influencers, Etsy shops, and more improve their back office operations. Okay, back to the list. And can I use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets? Using VLOOKUP is so 2019, and beginners in Google Sheets still use it. Do you even know what VLOOKUP is? Don't worry, it doesn't matter anymore. XLOOKUP is considered a more versatile and advanced alternative. This function is particularly useful for tasks like merging data from different sheets or tables based on a common identifier. But VLOOKUP has limitations, such as only being able to search from left to right and requiring the exact match of the lookup value. In contrast, XLOOKUP offers enhanced flexibility by allowing searches in both vertical and horizontal directions, supporting approximate matches by default, and enabling the use of arrays for multiple results. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. XLOOKUP is more efficient for complex data lookup tasks. As a beginner, transitioning to XLOOKUP will help get you to next level when grabbing ranges of data. So let's see how that is in practice. I'm going to add a sheet, and we'll title it XLOOKUP. Okay. I'm going to take this column here, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. And what I want to do is create an XLOOKUP to grab February. So how I will make that work is equal XLOOKUP, and the search key is going to pick A5. The lookup range is going to go back to the right-click sheet, and I am going to work that range. I'm going to hit F4 for the relative cell referencing to make sure that range doesn't move. And then my result range is going to be February column. I'm going to hit F4 for relative cell referencing again and close parentheses. So now you can see February showed up. If I copy and paste that down, I will get the dollar amounts for February and even the total. So what you will see is when I go back to right click, these numbers are now here. If I wanted to change this, there's more efficient ways to do it. But if I wanted to go to March, I could just change this C to D and this C to D and copy and paste it down. So that is one of the ways to use XLOOKUP. But, you know, as we're working here, a lot of Google Sheets and displaying presentations requires good formatting. So how do I format cells in Google Sheets? Not using formatting in Google Sheets is a habit that can keep you at a beginner level because proper formatting is crucial for readability, data interpretation, and professional presentation. I've purposefully chosen not to format so far, but with Google Sheets, you're telling a story. Formatting is crucial to convey the story you want to tell. Formatting includes a wide range of techniques such as adjusting font styles, sizes, and colors, applying cell borders, and using number formats to display data appropriately. For instance, bolding headers and using different colors for data categories can guide your readers with proper emphasis. Using number formats such as currency, percentages, or dates ensures that your data is presented consistently and professionally. For instance, bolding headers and using different colors for data categories can guide your readers with proper emphasis. Using number formats such as currency, percentages, or dates ensures that your data is presented consistently and professionally. See here, it is way easier to read a number with commas than a number that isn't formatted. By not utilizing these formatting options, you look like a beginner. We're not done yet, but if you have something you would like to know more about Google Sheets, let us know in the comments so that we can consider it for a future video or DM with you to solve it. Can you paste special in Google Sheets? Not using the paste special function in Google Sheets is a habit that can keep you at a beginner level because paste special offers a range of powerful options for manipulating data. Beyond the basic copy and paste, paste special allows you to paste specific elements of the copied content such as values, formulas, formats, or data validation rules rather than everything from the source self. For instance, using paste special, like I've already done in this video, to paste only values is incredibly useful when you want to convert formulas to static data, ensuring that the values remain constant even if the source data changes. Additionally, paste special options like transpose can switch rows to columns or vice versa, making it easier to reorganize data layouts. Another useful feature is paste formula only, which copies formulas without changing the existing formatting, ensuring consistency across your sheets. By not utilizing paste special, you may spend extra time manually adjusting data or formatting, which can be prone to errors and inefficiencies. So let's see that here. Say I want to copy this and I want to transpose it. So I want row descriptions on top and the months on the left. I can create a new sheet and I can paste special transpose, and now you can see that my row descriptions are now columns and my months are now rows. And over here you can see the totals have come in appropriately and summed correctly. Now what I can do is I can add a sum and see what my totals are by category. And again, for formatting, what I would recommend is make your sheet look good. Use borders, use underlines, use alignment to make your reports really tell a good story so that you can not only look good to yourself, but also look good to others that are reading these reports. To learn more about Google Sheets, watch this video next.